We're going to be using the Bhetki boneless We're going to be using Bhetki. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Meaty Masterclass, Pujo edition. Today we're going to be making a very special recipe for our Pujo feast, and it's going to be made with mustard. Shorshe, a key ingredient in all Bengal household, loved by Bangals and Ghotis alike. And we're going to be using Bhetki cubes from Licious for this very special recipe. So let's head straight into the recipe now. Now this luscious paste is made with soaked black mustard, yellow mustard, some green chilies, salt and of course turmeric to give this beautiful yellow color. So I'll begin with adding a little bit of mustard paste onto this banana leaf and then adding our Bhetki cube on top of it and again layering it with this beautiful paste and topping it with this slit green chili. To make a perfect pocket, fold the banana leaf, tie it with a string. Now fold over the other two sides, flip it over and tie it with another string. Ensure to double tie the knot to secure the parcel. Here I have a few more pockets ready. Add it to a steamer and steam it for 10 to 12 minutes. So we are done steaming and we'll see how our fish has turned out. So take it out gently from the steamer and let's cut it open to see how it's going. The fish looks really delicious and it's cooked through. You can have it as is as a snack or just have it with dal or bhat and you're set for your Pujo meal. Enjoy this quick recipe of Bhetki Paturi for a Pujo feast with your friends and family, and like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye-bye.